welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would quickly come on here and surprise, surprise, my light did not burn out, thank God, because I have been looking nonstop for a replacement and have not found one. So maybe there was just an issue when I went to plug it in. I don't know, but it's working. So I'm so glad and thankful. It is gloomy today and I just wanted to quickly come on here. I look a hot mess, just got off of work. I wanted to share with you guys this mystery box that I picked up from Laura Lee Los Angeles. And if you guys are not familiar, she's a big YouTuber and she has her own cosmetics line. And one of my friends here on YouTube, Nicole Davis, she's been sharing a lot of stuff with me, and I've just been wanting to try these certain brands because I haven't tried them. And so yeah, anyways, I did a mystery box. They had A, B, and C. This is new to me. I have not tried anything from her. I'm super excited. And again, I paid $75 with some tax. I think it was like 83 and some change. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Again, I just wanted to share this with you guys, and I, not caring how I look at the moment. So there is a little card in here. It says Laura Lee Los Angeles. It says Beauty Sponge. The LL Beauty Sponge is a double-sided multi-purpose sponge that allows you to set, contour, and blend all in one. Works great with powders, liquids, and creams. Your makeup will be left flawless. Streak-free finish, excuse me. Now, let me pull up real quick what it says that I should be getting. Okay, so they had three mystery boxes. A was the $75 one. B was the $60 one, and then C was $50. On mine that I got, they are currently out of stock from what I'm seeing. It says that it should be valued at $208. It says I should receive one beauty tool, one beauty accessory, one new makeup bag, one mini palette, 3 full-size palettes, 2 lip products, 3 beauty tools, and 6 more cosmetic items. So let's go ahead and see what all I got. I'm so excited. So the first thing I see on top is a mirror, which is so pretty. I just bought myself that Shop Miss A mirror, and I may pass it to my daughter since I have this one. But look how pretty that is. Oh, it's a double-sided. I'm sorry, didn't mean to blind you guys. It's a double-sided mirror for close-up and then far. It is a marbled finish, like a marbled, and then it has the L right there. So that is really pretty. Very pretty. The next thing I see is the LL Beauty Sponge. I had told you guys, just talked to you about that. It's in that kind of shape. Very nice. I love trying new sponges. So excited about that. The next items I see are liquid lipsticks. 2 liquid lipsticks. This is what they look like. The packaging. Very pretty. And it says one is in Mai Tai and one is in Show Off. No, baby, go. Oh, this is very pretty. I love the packaging. It's very sleek, very pretty. Look at that. Very nice. Let's go ahead and swatch it and see what it looks like. And this one's in Mai Tai, I believe. They smell nice. Oh, this is pretty. I don't think I have much like this color in my collection at all. There it is there. Sorry. Very pretty. Let's go ahead and see what the other one is. Love liquid lipsticks. This is like a real pretty nude. It kind of reminds me of the lip stunner that I have from Fenty Beauty. The color. Let's see what that one looks like. It's a little bit deeper. This will be a pretty fall and winter shade. Love the packaging, very pretty. That is what that looks like right there. So look at those are the two. Very, very pretty. I do like those. It looks like we got a Laura Los Angeles, a magnetic palette. That's nice. Very, very nice. I have some shadows I can put in there. Very pretty. Okay. And then this is the makeup bag that you got right there. And it has stuff inside. A really pretty like zipper here. This will be great for traveling. We got some shadows, which is cool. This is I got 2, 3, 4, 6 pressed shadows. This is Cobalt Cat. Very pretty. This one is a shimmer. The first one was a matte. This is a shimmer and gimmick. Looks kind of goldish, but kind of has like a light tint of green. This is Silver Clouds. It has like a silver tint to it. This is Drunk Flamingo. That's a weird name. This looks like a pretty green, but it could be black night sky with some speckles in it. And then this one is Glam Gal. There's another like taped up one. It looks like a eyeshadow palette maybe. And Boss Babe. The packaging is really cute. It's black and like a rosy gold. Try to open it without breaking my fingernail. This is a really pretty palette. This will be great for travel. Has all the shades that you need. The only thing is it doesn't have an overall shade for the lid space, but it's very, very pretty. Very nice. It kind of reminds me of a palette that I just got from, not just got, but I got last year sometime from a BoxyCharm, excuse me, from Violet Voss. I'll have to look and see if they look very similar, but that's cute. That's a nice palette. I see another palette in here. This is Nudie Patootie. I did see this on their website and I was going to order it because I thought it was so pretty, and I thought, you know what? Let me not order it, because what if I get it in the box? So there is another order I want to place. I hope they're as good as they look. I heard a lot of great things about her palettes. So I'm really, really excited. I think there's two, like, yeah, these are so pretty. Look at that. That was Jaybird and Au Naturel. Very, very pretty. That's just one little, ooh, that has like a rosy gold tone to it. Very, very pretty. Super excited about this palette. Definitely need to go through my palettes, and the ones that I don't show much love or don't pull for or don't gravitate towards, I need to definitely pull those and maybe pass them on. Okay, it looks like I got a lit kit, so I'm assuming it's like a face palette. At first I thought it says light to medium. I thought it said lip kit. Oh, it also has medium to deep in here as well. Oh, there's two. Wow. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there's two, you guys. This is the bronzed right there. And this is the glazed lit kit and bronzed lit kit. So let's look at the glazed. Ooh. Very pretty. Look at that. So I think I got the one for light skins, I'm thinking, or is it both? Let me see. Okay, it says light to medium, medium to deep. I don't know what that means. I'll have to look it up. But I'm assuming I could use all these. I will use this mostly as a blush, like in the summertime, because it has some sheen to it. This one might be a little too dark for a, well, maybe yeah, that's that highlight on the end right there. So that one I could probably use on the eyes. I could use it maybe in the summer as a blush for like, instead of doing bronzing, just do like a, oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. So maybe this came in the deep, I don't know, but I'll look it up and see which ones are. I will make them work for sure. Very beautiful. This is the bronze kit. So this one must have been for the deep. So this is the bronze highlighter palette. What is that? They're both highlighter palettes. Okay. So that's for light skin. This is for dark skin. So this I'm not going to dip into. I will probably gift this to a friend, or I don't know that I'll put it in the giveaway, because whoever wins my giveaway, I don't know if they could use this, depending if they're my skin tone or not. But I do have a birthday coming up in my group, and I think that she would love this. So I will probably bless her with this. Yeah, I think she would really enjoy that. I don't think I've ever heard her talking about this brand that she's purchased anything, so I will probably give that to her because I can't use it. But that's cool because it's a bronzed and a highlighter palette, so I can bronze with some of them, like that one on the end that I was telling you in the summertime would be really pretty. But that other palette I won't even be able to use, so that will be great to give that away. So, a couple little other things. Looks like there's 3 brushes in here. They put in and I wanted to try some of her brushes. There was a kit that I wanted to purchase, which was $45, which was not bad, and I think you got 10 brushes, if I recall correctly. But this is L13. So I'm going to look it up and see what this brush is used for. Maybe like, it's kind of fluffy, so it's too big for the eye. I would think maybe blush or even highlight. So I will look that up and tell you guys what that one's for. I did get this liner brush, which I don't have very many of these, L20. It has that really precise little brush tip. Sorry guys. I don't know that you could see it very well. Right there. So there's that one. And then there's one more brush, and it is L16. This is probably like a inner corner or a lower lash line brush right there. Very pretty. So excited for that. But that is everything that I got. For $75, I think I got an awesome, awesome deal. I should have gotten the small box as well, just to see what the difference and comparisons are. I just was so excited the day that we went on and put the order, or that I went on and put the order, that I didn't even think about that, but I should have did that. Okay, there they are there. They're really pretty colors. I think they're all shimmers. Let's see. That is them right here, from here down. But yeah, those are all the colors that I got right there. So unpleasantly happy with it. I think that I got a great deal. I may have to order some more of the single shadows just to put in that compact, and then maybe some mattes to try in that specific palette, since I didn't get, you know, any mattes with that. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, I did check the website. They are all sold out currently, but be on the lookout if you want to try something of hers. This is my first time ordering, and I think I definitely got my money's worth. I know that around the same time, the same day, the Jeffree Star mystery boxes were coming out, and I went back and forth, and I've always said I wanted to try some of his mystery boxes, but in all honesty, like, I wasn't super excited, and so therefore I just didn't want to waste my money on it, or get it if I wasn't going to be 100%, but this one I was very excited to get and try. So I will definitely be trying these products here soon, let you guys know what I think. And I definitely want to place another order maybe next month, because it is my birthday. I have been doing a lot of hauls this month of April. It's going to definitely kick my butt with my palette challenge. But I think I'm going to tone it down for now until my birthday. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, of course, I would love for you to subscribe if you'd like to watch more videos from me. But if not, no worries. I appreciate you for taking time to watch today. So this is going to complete this video for today. I hope you guys have a very good day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.